Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can start with Midjourney. So first thing you want to do is go over to midjourney.com, press enter, and now this beautiful web page will load up to you, which says Midjourney right here in the center and this code. So it's very beautiful. First thing you need to do is go over here and click sign in. Then wait while this page will load up. And it will automatically open Discord and you have to sign into your account, or if you don't already have Discord account, click here on register. Now fill out your email, then select your username and then type your password. Select your date of birth and then you have to check this box and click on continue. Then you can verify that you are human, so click on here and it may ask you to select hot dogs. So you will select hot dogs everywhere, click on verify when you are done. And then as you can see, an external application Midjourney bot wants to access your Discord account. So you have to authorize this access. Click on authorize. And as you can see, this sign-in error may pop up if you don't already have your Discord account verified. So then you have to verify it first to access Midjourney. So go over to Gmail, click on sign in to your account. When you are in your Gmail account, just find email that says verify email address for Discord. Click on that and then in the email click this button verify email. This will open Discord again. And as you can see, email verified, so click on continue to Discord. Then Discord will load up and you can close this one. And this is your Discord account. So go back to Midjourney, click on dismiss this error and sign in with Discord again. Click on authorize again. And then as you can see, you are now in your Midjourney. But if you want to join the Discord to start creating your AI images, you have to click on this join the Discord to start creating. So click on that. And as you can see, Midjourney will send you invite to the server. And as you can see, there is 1 million users online and 15 million members. So you have to click on accept invite. Then it will accept your invite. And again, you have to verify that you are human by selecting hot dogs or whatever it will say to you. If everything is all right, it will accept your invite. And now as you can see in my Discord, I have this Midjourney server. So this is how you start with Midjourney. As you can see, newcomers rooms. So click on that, for example, and it will load up these images that everybody is creating. It will everything go in this channel. And if you want to create your own image, you have to type in /imagine. Now press space and it will open this prompt, as you can see. And you can easily type what you want Midjourney to create for you. So let's say I want to create realistic. Beautiful. And then when you want to select your image aspect ratio, you have to click on --AR, and that means that you are doing this aspect ratio. And for example, I will do 4.8, so it's 4 points wide, 8 points tall, and that's a portrait photo. And then when you're done, you just simply click enter, and then as you can see, it will prompt you to accept their terms of service to continue using Midjourney. So you have to click on accept TOS, and when it's accepted, then simply go ahead and type your comment again. And then press enter. So as you can see, this may sometimes happen. Midjourney has extreme demand and they can't provide a free trial right now. So you have to subscribe to them. So we have to click on here, subscribe, open subscription page, and then yep. And then as you can see, you have to subscribe to their plan. So there's a basic plan, $8 a month, and it's billed yearly. And as you can see, you have limited generation, 200 a month, general commercial terms, accept a member gallery, optional credit top-ups, and 3 concurrent fast jobs. Then you have standard plan, which is $24 a month, and it's also billed yearly. And you have these pros. Then you have pro plan, and it's $48 a month, which is pretty expensive to me. I would recommend to go with this $24, or if you are just starting out, this $8 a month will be enough for you. So you have to click on subscribe, or you can easily switch to monthly billing. And as you can see, this will be $10 a month for this basic plan. So if you only want to start and just try it out, you have to always go with this basic plan, just $10 a month. Click on subscribe and then insert your billing information. And when you are done, just click down here on subscribe. And as you can see, payment successful, subscription activated. So click on close. And now it will take you to this page where you can manage your subscription. So you can edit billing, view your invoices, and also buy more fast hours. So first thing you want to do when you are subscribed, go over to your Discord back and then type your command again. Then press enter. As you can see, it will tell you waiting to start. And this is the percentage that it is completed. So you have to wait for this to load. And as you can see already, I can see some details, some really beautiful details. It's on 62% right now. Sometimes it may happen, as you can see, that my image just disappeared. But don't worry, if you are in these newcomers rooms, there are still no images appearing and your image is just moving upwards. As you can see, when I scroll up, I will find my image easy as that. So now, as you can see, it has generated quite a good 4 images, and you have now option to upscale it and increase the resolution. These are only drafts, so you can choose one. So let's say I like really this one, but this one is pretty good as well. So let's select this third one, and you have here U1, U2, U3, U4, and that means upscale. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to click on U4 if you want this one. Click on that, and it will work on upscaling this image. So just scroll down until you find your job. As you can see, it's waiting to start. And now guys, it's done. As you can see, when I click on this is upscale version. Damn, it's pretty good, right? And this is how far AI has come. It's crazy, guys. Okay, I will close it. And as you can see, you can make variations like upscale redo. We can click on beta upscale redo. And as you can see, when I click on it, it is upscaled. It looks pretty damn good. So thank you guys for watching. This was all for today's tutorial. If you want to see other tutorials on Midjourney, just check my playlist on my channel. And thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.